Whitewater rafting is one of the most unique experiences that people can experience. You know, what separates it from a lot of the other amusements like zip lining or roller coasters is rafting is real adventure. These are naturally flowing rivers, great whitewater, and the feeling you get when you are running a Class 4 whitewater with your friends and family and you experience the water in your face and the adrenaline and the natural beauty, there's really nothing else to compare it to. And it's really one of the best experiences that Colorado has to offer. Our rivers are amazing here. The backdrop of the Rocky Mountains, it's fun, it's exciting, it's a workout. Yeah, you just can't beat it in terms of recreation. You know, I think our attention to detail kind of shines through in every aspect of our operation. From the gear, you know, the gear is, we're constantly taking out our old gear and getting rid of it, replacing it with new gear. The gear that we do use, we wash every single trip to keep it nice and new. It's all cutting edge technology, high quality gear. We have a beautiful facility, a 4,000 square foot facility with plenty of changing rooms and bathrooms and space for large groups. We have awesome guides. You know, the guide is the single most important factor in the customer's experience. You can have fantastic facilities and great gear and all those things, but if you don't have a competent guide that not only can guide you down the river safely, but also is just a cool, fun person to be around, that's what is the biggest influence on the customer's experience. In Colorado, you can't ask for much more. We have beautiful scenery, we have amazing rivers. They provide the perfect backdrop for a memorable experience that will be the highlight of your summer. All you gotta do is book online, coloradorafting.com, or give us a call at 970-372-2870, and we will show you the experience of a lifetime.